When I proposed to Panou, I was feeling nervous beforehand. You know, there was so much that could go wrong. But when I finally got down on my knee and popped the question, I was overjoyed and happy. We were both happy, and I'm glad everything went well.
The story of how us two met, a stepsister of mine, and she was doing her daughter's birthday, and he was walking into the party room, and his mom came up to me, and she was like, "Oh, maybe you should go talk to him." I was like, "Sure." He was on his phone. I went up to him. I was like, "Oh, you like to play Minecraft?" I was like, "Oh, I like to play Minecraft too." So we just kind of started talking from there. His best quality that I admire him for is being able to communicate so well. He's always talking with me. He's always communicating how he feels. So him being able to feel safe and communicate and just talk to me made me really think of him as he is the one.
I knew she was the one when we first started dating. She was very compassionate. You know, just her being such a careful person made me know that she was the one from the start.